Hey, let me tell you something. You see, consistency. The more consistent you are, it's going to make you more confident. The more confident you are, it's more courageous you will be towards your goals, your dreams, and any obstacle that you're facing. Be consistent. Create a daily routine. What is it that you do every day? And you do it no matter what. It will build you confidence. And if you continue doing it, you will then eventually will be courageous. See, let me tell you something. Consistency is doing everything over and over. Doing it every day, no matter what. Be consistent with your action. Be consistent with your intention. Be consistent, and it will build up confidence for you to keep going and keep going and keep going until you become courageous. And let me tell you, success is the cousin of courageous. Only courageous people become successful. Keep fighting. Don't stop.